All right, so today I'm going to make a hat of health where the hat's going to be in the world. You're going to click on it, it's going to go on your head, and then your maximum health is going to double. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's put a cylinder in the world. I'm going to put the cylinder pretty near the center of the world. So I'm going to get it at 0. So let's work at a 4 studs high and 0. Hit F to frame in so it didn't go anywhere. There we go. Let's change the orientation of that cylinder to 90 degrees. Yep. And I'll make it black because it's a top hat, right? And then the size, I'm going to make it 2 by 2 by 2. Good, good, good. Let me back up a little bit. Bring that up even more. I'm going to make sure collisions are off. I'm going to hit Control D to duplicate it. Drag that down. Let me name the top part top. The bottom part rim. Let me change the size of the rim to 0.2. Let's make that 2 and 2. This hat's looking a little big up here. Let's make the top 1.5, 1.5, and 1.5. That's better. Yeah. All right, now they're all lined up. We can go ahead and turn collisions on. Bump the top to the rim. There, nice. Now let's connect them. First, let's make them into a model. Select both of these, hold shift down, select both. And we'll group it. And let's call this top hat. All right, let's add a weld constraint to hold those two together. Weld constraint. So in the weld constraint, part 0, I'll make that the rim. Part 1, I'll make that the top. All right, what else do we need? We need to put this in an accessory. So in the workspace, click on that plus sign, hit an A, add an accessory. Call this hat of health, or whatever you want to name it. Move top hat into hat of health, but I need a handle in here. So I'm going to add another part. I'm going to add a block. Let me turn my collisions off. The block is going to be called handle. Move the block, move the handle into the accessory. All right, now I want to position this, but I'm not really good at moving things around precisely. So I'm going to get this rim. I'm going to get the position of the rim. Where's my position? There it is. Control C. Let me get my handle's position. Control V. Boom. There we go. I'm going to make it small. I'm going to make that handle small. 0.3, 0.3, and 0.3. There we go. All right, it's sticking inside the rim. Let's just move it down a tiny bit. There we go. Rim, I am going to make can collide off so it doesn't mess up my handle. And also I don't want it bumping into things. Where's my can collide? Here it is, can collide. Alrighty. I need a weld constraint for the handle. So let me go ahead, top hat, W, weld constraint. Good, this is the empty one. Part 0, we'll make that rim. Part 1, we'll make that handle. So now everything's connected together. So handle, you'll see a touch interest will magically appear at some point. But under the handle, I need something else. I need an attachment. There we go, attachment. And I want it to attach to my head without doing anything. So I'm just going to write hat attachment, right? And that way, when I put it on my humanoid, it's going to magically go to the hat attachment. Sweet, that's looking pretty good. Let's add a script to our hat. So I'm going to go to the hat model, script. In here, I'm going to write wear it. All right, looking good. Let's get a reference to the top part of the hat, script, where's the parent, and then go down one level, top, right? Because here's our script, that's our parent, there's the top. We want to be able to click on the top and have it go on our head. So I also need a reference to the accessory. I call that hat of healing. Probably just gonna call it a hat. That's the script parent, so that's the model. That's the accessory right there. Script parent, parent. I'm gonna add a click detector. I'm gonna call it clicker. Instance, new, click detector. I'm gonna make the clicker's parent will be the hat, because that's what I wanna, it'll be the hat of, it'll be the top. That's the biggest part. So that'll be the easiest to click on. And then the clicker max activation distance, I'll make it 20 studs. A little bit far away, you can still click on it. All right, let me make a function to handle the click event. I'm gonna call it pickup. I'm gonna pass in the player. The clicker will actually pass in the player for me. That's pretty handy. So if you do clicker, mouse, click, connect it. Whoa, what happened? Mouse, click, did I spell that right? Connect, pickup, get rid of those two extra parentheses. Let's just print this out. We'll say pickup, got it. There's a got it. See if it works first before we start doing anything in here. Because a lot happened, right? Building an accessory is not easy. You have a lot of things in a lot of strange areas. My hat is really close to where I enter the world. There. And let me look at my output window. Ah, got it. So my clicker's working. Awesome. Let me move my hat just a little bit off center. There we go. We should make, yeah, that's good. I like that. All right, let's go back to our wear it. I don't want to start adding things in. There we go. I got rid of my print statement. I don't need it. Now I know it's working. So I'm going to get the hum, and I can do that from the player, character, humanoid, and then hum, what is it? Add accessory, sorry. Add accessory, hat of healing, and now I'll just say hum max health will equal 200. There we go. All right, I think we got this. Let's get in there, check out our hat. Boom, there it is. It's on my head. So see how my hair, my bacon hair is coming through there. I can change the handle, or I can make that rim a little thicker. But this is pretty good. See how my health was down to about halfway? Let's check our health in the workspace. Go to the humanoid, and you'll see that this health is climbing. So it's 44, 146, 148, because we're going to heal up to the 200. Now we can make the health instantly 200. That would be easy. We could just go like this. We say wear it, and then max health will be 200. I'll say hum health will be 200. Now when we go to play it, there it is. Boom, it's on my head. Oh, I got an error. Health is not a valid member of humanoid. All right, sorry. I need an L. There we go. Now we do it. Okie doke. There we go. Now we have full health. If we look at our character, health, oops, that's the health script. Let's go to our humanoid. Where's our humanoid? There it is. We have max health 200, health is 200. Now we're cooking. Alrighty. So I hope you had, I hope you were able to build it, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.